The essential oil lavender is commonly used to just relax the body, but lavender can also be used to relieve the pains from just a first-degree burn, like a burn that you might get from touching a hot pan or the iron or something. So what you want to do is take a carrier oil, like a sweet almond oil or jojoba oil or macadamia nut oil, etc., and some lavender essential oil. And you'll take 3 parts of almond oil to 1 part lavender oil. So 3 or so drops of lavender oil and about 9 or so drops of the carrier oil. And you're going to apply that to the burn 3 times a day and leave it uncovered, and it's going to soothe and protect that new skin that's starting to grow underneath the burn, and just also protect it from infection, and just help it to heal. So lavender oil to relieve and help a burn heal.